Welcome to this quick guide on how to paper trade on Moomoo, a popular trading platform that allows users to practice trading with virtual money. Paper trading is an essential step for beginners and experienced traders alike, as it helps to refine trading strategies and build confidence without risking real capital. To start paper trading on Moomoo, you need to download and install the Moomoo app on your mobile device or access the web version. Once you have created an account, navigate to the paper trading section, which is usually found in the settings or account menu. Next, you will need to fund your paper trading account with virtual money. Moomoo typically provides a default amount of virtual cash, but you can adjust this amount to suit your needs. This virtual money will be used to practice trading with different assets, such as stocks, options, and ETFs. Now, let's move on to the trading process. To place a trade, select the asset you want to trade and choose the buy or sell option. You will then be prompted to enter the quantity and price of the trade. Since you are paper trading, you can experiment with different trading strategies and risk management techniques without worrying about losing real money. As you practice trading, it's essential to monitor your performance and adjust your strategies accordingly. Moomoo provides a range of tools and features to help you track your progress, including profit and loss statements, trading history, and market data. One of the key benefits of paper trading on Moomoo is that it allows you to test different trading strategies and techniques in a risk-free environment. You can try out new ideas, refine your skills, and build confidence before transitioning to live trading. In addition to paper trading, Moomoo also offers a range of educational resources and trading tools to help you improve your skills. These resources include video tutorials, webinars, and market analysis, which can help you stay up to date with market trends and develop a deeper understanding of trading concepts. In conclusion, paper trading on Moomoo is a valuable tool for traders of all levels. By following these steps and practicing with virtual money, you can refine your trading strategies, build confidence, and develop the skills you need to succeed in the markets. Remember to always prioritize risk management and continuous learning, and you will be well on your way to becoming a successful trader.